Hi and welcome to Amy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a recipe of homemade chocolate ice cream. Ingredients: 2 cups heavy whipping cream, 1 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, half teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup cocoa powder, 5 large egg yolks, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: in a medium saucepan, combine the cream, milk, sugar, and salt. Heat over medium heat until steaming, stirring occasionally. In a separate bowl, whisk together the cocoa powder and egg yolks until well blended. Gradually pour about 1 cup of the hot cream mixture into the egg mixture, whisking constantly. Pour the egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining cream mixture and cook over low heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and coats the back of a spoon about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the mixture through a fine mesh strainer into a large bowl and let it cool completely. Once cooled, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate until chilled, at least 4 hours or overnight. Churn the chilled mixture in an ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. Transfer the ice cream to a freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 4 hours or until firm. Enjoy your homemade chocolate ice cream. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and I will see you in the next video with another recipe. Till then, goodbye.